special master, special guest, Ubabu Andile Yenana. Give it up for Ubabu Andile Yenana. Give it up for the master. Give it up for the master. It is such an honor, Chawe, that we have you. Thank you so much. Yes, the nigga mnandi futhi again and again and again. Uchawe Andile Yenana and Parasival Kulu Dlamini have been nominated for the best jazz album at the Metro FM. And mina njengentwana, I'm so honored ukuthi ngibe amongst that lineup of the nominees. So asenze kanje. Make sure you vote. Awuvoteli mina ngedwa. Mina uma unginikeza amavoti ka50 rand nochawu umnika ka50. So how to vote? Star, ngicela uyibhale quickly. Star 120 star 45787 hash. Follow the prompt. 150 each vote. You vote as many times as you can. Ne? So this is a performance. Ingoma desiyenza yokuqala. It is Isono Sami from my debut album, Ingoma Busuku. Othi sibone ukuthi ngikhona ne ngathi kuthiwa Eastern Cape indawo yengoma ne. Niyavuma nani angithi? Ngizozwa ngani mina ne? Wemachola phumeti lo wena ile nqaka somthi wami. Hiyo. Chola. Wemacho, ile nqaka somthi wami. Hiyo. Wemacho, ile nqaka. Hiyo. Wemacho, ile nqaka somthi wami. Ayo. So tena songera. Wemachola. Ile nqaka somthi wami. Hiyo. Hawusena